With holiday season right around the corner, we thought we'd put together a list of 5 products that would make excellent gifts for that new homeowner in your life. Whether it be a friend, family, moved into their property for the first time or for the 5th time, these are products that we believe no home should go without. So stick around, let's take a look. First up, starting outside the home, a pump. A great quality pump is going to save you in a pinch. If you drive by a car, take a bike or tractor anywhere, then you know that punctures are a real thing and a real pain. And what better than this Bosch smart pump, the EasyPump. It's cordless, can be set to a specific pressure and comes with a variety of nozzle adapters in the box. But let's say that Bosch doesn't take your fancy because you've got something against them or you just want to spite me. Any quality decent pump is going to sort you right out. It's a great asset to have in your toolbox. Next up, this is going to be a bit of a strange one, but let me paint you a picture here. Stay with me. Let's say that you've just moved all your stuff in and you've got a new PC, TV, stereo system. Hell, maybe you've just dropped your keys under your couch. Well, they all involve hard to see, hard to reach places. And that's why we think everyone should have a snake camera. What better than this Bosch universal inspection camera? Frankly, all it is it's a really small camera on the end of a bendy long neck. It's got some lights so you can see what you're doing. It's a bit strange, but once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever went without it. It's really, really handy for wiring work or just for finding lost stuff. Check it out. Things breaking is simply an inevitability. Whether your kids seem to think that breaking parts off their toys is playing with them, or you're just a bit clumsy and bump into things all the time, more than you're willing to admit. A quick and easy fix is something to be said for. Well, if you can guess what I'm going to suggest, well done, you have eyes. A hot glue gun really is an excellent asset to have in your toolkit. So we've got 2 options for you, the Bosch PKP 18E and the Bosch Gluey. Do you think you can tell which one is a bit more arts and craft oriented? Personally, I can really vouch for the PKP. It's sturdy and quality and it's going to last you a long time and serve you well. Alternatively, for those of you that are more artistically oriented, it also has its own quirks. It's cordless, shaped like a pen, and frankly quite easy to take about and fix things on the go. I'm not sure what you'd use that for. The option's there. If you're anything like me, then you also despise the hand cramp that comes with those cheap little screwdrivers and such from your new IKEA Besta multi-drawer storage compartment in gloss white and oak veneer. Oddly specific. And if you do, for some reason, enjoy that, then take your weird crampy hands elsewhere. For those of you that are left, allow me to introduce the solution. The Bosch XO Cordless Classic Screwdriver. Simply said, it just works. It's compact, cordless, and whether you're screwing together furniture or sticking a picture up on the wall, this will sort you right out. It's a no-brainer. So let's say that you're not really feeling the gloss white on your IKEA Besta storage container with drawers or whatever it was, and you've just gone and picked up yourself a can of matte black spray paint and primer. You and I both know that gloss surfaces aren't great for spray painting. Poor surface adhesion, as well as inevitable chipping, is going to leave you in a bit of a sticky situation. So this is where palm sanders come into the equation. Like this Bosch EasyCurve adaptable cordless sander. Whether you need to quickly scuff a surface for painting, remove an old finish for resealing garden furniture, or polish up a surface, this It's got you covered. Now, I know I said I had 5, but I've got a sneaky bonus 6th for you. Though it's more of an accessory to expand your capabilities than anything else. Here we have the Bosch XLine 70-piece power tool and drill bit accessory kit. With this set, you're ready to drill metal, masonry, wood, screw Phillips, posi, slotted, Torx and hex, countersink holes, tighten bolts with sockets, and measure anything with the 3 meters tape. Well, so long as it's under 3 meters. Unless you're smart. I could go on, but you get the picture. Accessories can really make or break a power tool, so why not just get all of them? So, what did you think of our list? If you've got any of your own suggestions, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below to help others out. And have you told him yet? I was getting to it. Look, while you're down there, remember to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video from us. Cheers. If you'd like to pick up any of the products featured in today's video, then check the description box down below and there'll be links to all of them there from tooledup.com. That's us. John, thanks for watching. Remember, take care of yourself and I'll see you next time.